On this video tutorial, we'll learn how to install projector headlights for a 2002 to 2004 Acura RSX.
Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation.
Once the hood is open, please remove 6 clips that's holding down the plastic shield. There are 8 clips and 4 screws. Please have these clips and screws removed. There is also a hidden screw where the front bumper and the fender meets. Please remove this screw from each side. Once all the clips and screws are out, gently tug on the front bumper and have it removed. This shot will show all 4 screws that are holding down the front headlights. Before taking the headlight out, please unplug the corner signal light. At this point, gently pull the headlight out and unplug the rest of the harnesses. Once the headlight is completely removed, don't forget to take off the headlight bracket to use for your new projector headlights. Once you have the bracket, make sure you also get the 2 driving light sockets. Please place these items on your new projector headlights. Once the projector headlights are brought back to its original location, make sure all the harnesses are plugged back in. And then finally, the turn signal harness. At this point, we can place back all the headlight screws, put back on the front bumper, replace all the screws and clips, place back the plastic shield, put back all the clips, Your RSX projectors are now ready to light up the streets. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.